When people think of traveling to Indonesia, Bali, or Jakarta usually come to mind. But have you heard of Bandung, the hidden gem loved most by locals and affectionately called the Paris of Java? Nestled in the highlands over 700 meters above sea level, this city welcomes you with a refreshingly cool breeze all year round. Our journey begins at Jakarta's sleek KCIC Halim station. We are boarding Southeast Asia's very first high-speed rail, known as Whoosh. What used to be a tedious 3-hour drive is now a smooth, breathtaking 30-minute glide. As the urban jungle transitions into rolling green hills and tropical palms outside the window, you will feel the sudden drop in temperature. Stepping off the train, the crisp mountain air of Bandung instantly rejuvenates your senses. Jakarta Halim Station serves as the starting point and central hub for Whoosh, located in the Makassar district of East Jakarta. It is a large, modern railway station built with technical assistance from China. It covers the Jakarta-Bandung route, which previously took over 3 hours by car or regular train, in just 45 minutes, traveling at a maximum speed of 350 kilometers per hour. The station is spacious and comfortable, reminiscent of an airport terminal, and is equipped with strict security checkpoints and automated ticket gate systems. Various restaurants and cafes are located within the station, ensuring that waiting times are not boring. First-class ticket holders can use exclusive VIP lounges located at each station, such as Halim and Padalarang, free of charge before the train departs. It is a space where you can wait comfortably, much like an airport lounge, avoiding the crowds of general waiting rooms. The train departing from Halim Station travels via Karawang Station to Padalarang Station, a key transfer hub in Bandung, and finally to the terminal station, Tegalure Summarecon. When heading to downtown Bandung, the fastest and most popular route is to disembark at Padalarang Station rather than the terminal station and transfer to the free feeder train bound for Bandung Station. Right after arriving, we head straight to the city's heartbeat, Jalan Braga. Braga Street is the most pivotal location, proving why Bandung earned the nickname Paris van Java. Originally, until the mid-19th century, this street was a narrow, muddy cart road used to transport crops harvested from southern coffee plantations such as Ciwidey. At the time, it was called Jalan Pedati, Cart Road. With the opening of Bandung Station in the 1880s, a large influx of Europeans occurred, and by the 1920s, Dutch merchants began opening European-style luxury shops, cafes, and boutiques. As the Dutch colonial government planned to relocate Bandung to become the new capital, Jalan Braga became the center of Paris van Java, flowing with high-end fashion and culture. In 1955, as the first Asian African Congress, Bandung Conference, which marked a turning point in world history, was held at the nearby Savoy Homan Hotel and Merdeka building, Braga Street once again garnered attention as an international landmark visited by heads of state from around the world. Upon entering Braga Street, the first thing that catches your eye is the andesite stone pavement. It features European-style paving blocks made by tightly embedding stones instead of asphalt. On both sides of the street, Art Deco-style buildings, popular in Europe during the 1920s and 1930s, remain preserved, allowing you to experience the atmosphere of Europe from 100 years ago right in the heart of Southeast Asia. A short walk away brings us to Alun-Alun Bandung, the Grand City Square. Covered in a massive, vibrant green artificial turf, it is a joyful sanctuary where children run barefoot and families enjoy peaceful weekend picnics. Let's dive deeper into history as we turn on to Asia-Africa Street. Here stands the majestic Hotel Savoy Home in Bandung, a legendary landmark that hosted world leaders during the monumental 1955 Asian-African Conference. Passing by the historic Gedung Merdeka, Independence Building, and the iconic The Majestic Theater, you can vividly feel the artistic heritage and heavy historical significance that Bandung proudly carries. Hotel Savoy Home in Bandung is Bandung's premier heritage landmark, preserving a deep history dating back to the late 19th century and unrivaled architectural aesthetics. The hotel's origins trace back to a wooden guest house operated by the family of Adolf Hohmann, a German immigrant who settled in Bandung around the 1870s. An official structure was erected in 1884, at a time when there were fewer than 10 permanent buildings in Bandung. Gaining renown among European aristocrats and the wealthy, the hotel gradually expanded its scale before undergoing a comprehensive modern reconstruction between 1937 and 1939, at which time Savoy was added to its name. It was renowned at the time as the most modern, luxurious, and high-end hotel in the Dutch East Indies, present-day Indonesia. The hotel's most illustrious moment was during the First Congress of Asia and Africa, the Bandung Congress, in 1955. World leaders and delegations from various countries, including Indonesian President Sukarno, China's Zhou Enlai, India's Nehru, and Egypt's Nasser, stayed here and made history. We now head north to Dago, the trendiest district bubbling with creative youth culture. For shopaholics, the iconic Rumah Mode factory outlet is an absolute must-visit. Modeled like a lush, scenic garden resort, it's a shopping paradise where you can hunt for high-quality fashion items and local designer goods at incredibly reasonable prices. After shopping, we relax at Will's Coffee Roasters, Juanda, Dago. Bandung is recognized as the ultimate capital of Indonesian specialty coffee. This massive cafe features a beautifully integrated green open space, making it the perfect spot to slow down and sip an expertly brewed single-origin coffee amid the refreshing highland breeze. Bandung's cultural depth goes even further. We visit Batu, a mesmerizing spiritual rock garden where massive stones are arranged in a poetic layout designed for deep meditation. It is a masterpiece created by Indonesian artist Sunaryo, serving as a legacy for humanity in the 21st century and the culmination of his artistic career. In ancient Javanese, what means bridge and Batu means stone, embodying the profound philosophical meaning of a bridge made of stone, specifically, a spiritual bridge connecting the human soul with material life. Right next door is the Selasar Pavilion. It is a stylish and modern multicultural exhibition space and a hot spot that exudes a newer, youthful energy while inheriting the historical atmosphere of the main building. The building's most distinctive feature is its unique visual design, a sharp, minimalist triangular shape rising amidst the forest-surrounded mountain landscape. Situated on the high Bukit Pakar Hill, it offers a prime vantage point with a panoramic view of downtown Bandung accompanied by a cool breeze when standing on the terraces or open spaces. After admiring the thought-provoking galleries, we wind down at Kopi Selasar, an open-air cafe under the bamboo canopy, enjoying traditional herb blends and artisanal coffee. To fully immerse yourself in Bandung, choosing the right retreat is essential. First up is the InterContinental Bandung Dago Pakar. Tucked away in the prestigious Highland Valleys, its infinity pool offers breathtaking panoramic views of the misty golf courses and the glowing city lights below. On the other hand, the Gaia Hotel Bandung is a masterpiece of eco-luxury architecture. built cascading down a lush mountain slope. This 5-star sanctuary offers ultimate tranquility, making you feel completely cradled by Mother Nature. The soothing sounds of flowing streams and singing birds deliver the absolute pinnacle of luxury relaxation. Our grand finale takes us south to Ciwidey to witness Kawah Putih, the surreal white crater. The striking turquoise emerald volcanic lake, contrasted against white ash and skeletal trees, makes you feel like you've stepped onto another planet. Walking along the misty, sulfur-scented shores, you are left in absolute awe of nature's power. From the speed of the Whoosh bullet train to the nostalgic European streets, the booming specialty coffee scene, and spectacular active craters, Bandung reveals a completely different side of Indonesia. If you seek a journey that genuinely moves your soul, Bandung is waiting for you.